Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So through this video, I will like to show you the way how to rearrange the quick access on your control center. So the control center is something part of our access that we got after slide down this side, the top right corner. So I will let to show you. I will let to slide this top right corner into the down part, so you will got this. This is the control center, the place of the quick access in. If you want to reorganize it, if you want to rearrange the positions of it, you need to do this instead. Go open the settings, and now you just need to scrolling down until you found the control center, and now you just need to click them. So here is the controls that you got on your control centers this time. So if you want to rearrange it, you just need to drag this side into the specific part that you want. Let's say here I would like to drag this screen recording, so you just need to go click and hold and drag these three straight lines on the right side, and then you just need to place them into the specific part that you want to place them. Now you just need to check. You'll see the screen record that used to be here now already changed here. If we want to make them here, you just need to slide until the screen recording is in the top side. And here is the result. So that is the way, guys, how to rearrange the control access on a control center. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll wait to see you for the next tutorial.